You're watching On Air podcast right here. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Liposuction. What exactly is liposuction and where all can we reduce the fat in our body using this method?
Yeah, the word itself says lipo means fat and suction means you suck it out. So it's a procedure where you take out fat. The best part is that you take out fat with just a small incision, probably 5 millimeters of incision, which will heal almost scarless. And you could take out from anywhere, wherever you want. But the trick is, we always need fat all our life because it helps us insulate our body from weather, cold environment, and so on. So it's sort of an insulator. It's a source of stem cells and a lot of things. So it's one way is thermoregulatory, one way on the other side it is precursor, once again, I mean, say, predecessor for other cells and tissues. So fat चाहिँ हाम्रो bodyमा it's constitutes in 2 layers. We say superficial and deep. We always keep the superficial because number one, it is closer to the skin. Number two, the blood supply to the skin actually comes from the superficial.
Interesting.
Number three, if we suck out, it gives the skin the smoothness that the skin needs. If we remove the superficial fat, then we are going to have hills and valleys. If we try to remove the superficial fat.
So where is the superficial fat? It's the first layer.
The skin, superficial layer, deep layer.
Okay.
So what we try to do is by the liposuction cannula, we take out the deep layer only. We keep the superficial layer to a certain amount of thickness. That will help, maintain the function that the fatty system needs.
Okay. Well, your conversation, Matt, I'm a big believer in working out. I'm a big believer in fitness. Fat reduction गर्ने best possible way is fitness, I believe.
Diet.
Okay. Diet, होइन? So liposuction चाहिँ कसलाई चाहिँ अब हुन्छ नि important छ के एक हिसाबले भन्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ because a lot of listeners are listening right now might be like, well, if you go and run 10 kilometers a day for 1 whole year, you might reduce a lot of fat. भन्नु कतिजनाले भन्नुहुन्छ होला हैन? Or if you stay in a diet for let's say 3 months, for 90 days or like 120 days, हैन? And work out, you'll reduce that fat. Why do liposuction भन्ने पनि एउटा question हुन्छ हैन? So how would you want to go ahead and answer this?
Like I said before, the pain of discipline is less painful than the pain of ignorance. If you stay in discipline, probably you won't end up in doing anything. But it's hard to, discipline yourself. It's hard not to eat fatty things. You want to eat. That's life. You want to taste everything. You want to enjoy life. So you eat. But if you want to maintain, eat as well as you want to keep your body in shape, then there has to be some alternative. And that alternative is what liposuction provides. And the best part about liposuction is we take out the deep fat, right? Deep layer. And then you won't get again fat. Because you've already taken out that layer. So now the fat, if you eat a lot of fat, that superficial fatty layer will take a long time to, give you the original fatness that you were. All that fat will go to somewhere else where there is fat initially.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला This program is brought to you by Vyas Studios